So we're at Warwick Station. The station closes at 12:55, so we can't buy any tickets, and the machine is out of order, so it's saying we have to buy them online. We are at Warwick. We came to Warwick Park. We want to go to Stratford Upon Avon. Stratford Upon Avon.
That's the train there, standing at platform 2. It's the 1603 West Midlands Railway service to Kidderminster via Norwich and Birmingham Stowe.
This is lopsided because north is this way and they put the map this way around. It's completely throwing me off. Just arrived in Stratford. This is the Avon River. There's the merry-go-round or the Ferris wheel if you're American. So this is the Victorian Globe Theatre and it got expanded out there to the modern side. This is actually a hotel. We're trying to find the Guildhall. So this is last entrance in 4:40. So we might be too late now because he needs to stop and look at every single thing. So there's the school and the Guildhall. This is the Mercure Hotel that I was looking at booking. But the problem is that they wanted to charge me the day that I put the booking in. So this is the roundabout, and then we're just going into the pedestrian street here at Henley. This is where Shakespeare's birthplace is. So this is Shakespeare's birthplace, which is probably closed now as well. It's gone past 5. So that is a big fish. It's the size of the whole plate.